Hello guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this video you are going to learn how to design this beautiful flyer with PixelLab in a very simple way. Alright, before we get started, please click the subscribe button so that you will be notified whenever I upload amazing videos. Alright, let's get started. I'm going to delete this, I don't need it. Let me change the image size. The image size 1280 500. Alright, this is good. Let me change the background color. It's going to be white. Alright, this is good. So what I need now is I need an object. This object, I'm going to make use of this object. Let me give it a color. It's going to be this color. Good. Border radius, I have to give it a border radius. I think 24 is okay. Let me see how it looks. Alright. Okay, now what I need to do is that I have to rotate it and bring it over here. Okay, I think this is good. Now the next thing that I have to do is that let me lock it first of all, so that it's not going to be moving around and copy it. I copied it now. So what I have to do now is that I need to move to edit so that I will set it properly. Yes, I think it's okay like this. You click on OK. Now let me reduce the size. Let me rotate it like this and bring it over here. I need to rotate it again. Let me reduce the size. That I think is too much. Okay, I need to rotate it like this again. Let me zoom it so that I will be seeing it very well. Alright, let me bring it inside. Yes, this is good. I think it's okay. So what I will do is that I come over here, I lock it. So when I lock it, I have to copy it again. So when I copy it, I bring it over here. I have to increase the size. I have to increase the size. I think this is okay. Let me bring it closer. Let me bring it down. I think it's okay like this. Alright, so what I will do next is that let me lock this one from here. Let me copy this. When I copy it, I have to bring it up here. So when I bring it up, let me enable stroke. The stroke is going to be white. It's already white. 3. So let me zoom it. I'll reduce the size. Let me see how it looks. I think it's okay. It's lovely now. Okay, so what I will do now is that I need to come over here. Let me lock it first of all. So this second one, I have to copy it also. I have to copy it, but this one, let me bring it down here. Okay, so that I will know exactly what I'm doing. So this one, let me bring it down here. Okay, so what I'll do is that let me go and enable stroke again. I enable stroke, so it's going to be 3. So let me zoom it. Okay, what I'll do is that let me resize it. Oh, let me resize it. Okay, this is good. This is very nice. All right, this is good. So now let me bring it down here. Okay, so what I'll do now is that I need to lock these two. Bring it down here. So this one, I have to copy this one. Let me enable stroke. It's going to be 3. I click on good. Let me increase it more. Let me move to position. I think this is good. So all right, this is nice. Now the next thing to do is that this one, let me merge it with an object. I have to merge it with an object, which is this one, and this one. Let me merge it with an object and bring it down here. This second one, I have to merge it with an object also and give it this color. Let me merge it with an object and bring it down here. All right, this is good. The next one is this one. I have to merge it with an object. Let me give it this color. I have to merge it with an object. I'm bringing down here. The next one is the one on top of it. Let me give it this color. I have to merge it with this object. I merge two of them. All right, this is good. Now what we are going to do next is that I need to select this one. So let me lock it. Let me lock those ones. Okay, let me lock this one. All right, so I select this one. Let me move to texture. I'm going to add this one. I click on good. Now the next thing that we're going to do, let me select this one. Erase color. Enable erase color. I'm going to choose this color. Now what I need to do is that let me increase it. I think 30 is okay. You click on good. Now let's select this one and move to texture. So what we're going to do now is that I think it's okay. This is good. This is very nice. Let's select this one. Let me move to texture. Let me select this one. Erase color, enable erase color. I will choose this color, increase it. It's okay. Now what we are going to do next is that let me select it again and move to texture. I have to increase it. I think this is okay. Lovely. All right, The next thing that we're going to do is that we're going to make use of an object. Let me lock these ones, they are moving around. Okay, I think I lock it. Okay, position. Let me copy it. Position. Alright, let me resize it with the help of position. Let me see how it looks. Yes, this is good. This is what I want. Alright, the next thing that we're going to do now is that we're going to merge all of them. We're going to merge all of them, everything. Good, they are now one object. So what we're going to do, we copy it, we bring it over here. Let me move to 3D rotate. You are going to make it 180 degree, the y axis. You click on good. Now you move to what? You move to relative position. You click this one. You click this one. You click this one. You click this one, so that they will align properly. Let me zoom out. Alright, this is perfect. This is perfect. Okay, what we're going to do now, let's lock to both of them. Alright, so now we need some tests. Fast food. Click on good. Let's move to fonts. So the font I'm going to use is this font. Let me zoom it. Let me change the color. Let me move to color. I'm going to choose this color. This is perfect. Now the next thing to do is that we need a logo. Let me crop it. I have to reduce the size. Let me move to position. I think this is perfect. This is good. Now let me bring another test. It's going to be tasty special menu. Let's change the font. I'm going to use this font. Let's move to spacing. I think 1 is okay. Let me zoom in. Now let's resize it. Okay, I think this is good. Now the next thing that we're going to do is that we're going to make use of some tests. Okay. click on OK. Let me lock these ones. Now let's resize it. Let me zoom in. Now let's move to align. It's going to be center alignment. Okay, let's move to fonts. Let me change the font. I'm not going to use this font, I don't like it. Let's use this font. Let's move to line spacing. Let's move to line spacing again. Alright, I think this is good. Wow, this is lovely. Okay, what we're going to do now is that let's bring another image. Let me crop it. I have to bring it down here. Let me zoom in so that I can see what I'm doing very well. Wow, this is awesome. This is lovely. This is lovely. Now the next thing that we're going to do is that there is another image that we need to import. Let's reduce it. Okay, now let's move to opacity. I think this is okay. Let's copy it and bring it over here. Let's copy it again and bring it over here. Let's copy it again and bring it over here. Let's copy it again and bring it over here. Let's copy it again and bring it over here. Now we're going to merge all of them. When we merge all of them, you bring it down, you move it backward. It's going to come behind all of them. Yes, this is good. This is good. Okay, let's move to opacity again. Yes, this is awesome. Now when you are done, you merge all of them. Then you save your work. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you find this video useful, click the subscribe button so that you will be notified whenever I upload awesome videos like this. Have a great day.